Hi everyone, welcome back to YouTube classes. It's Divya here with class 9 physics. Today in our class we are going to start with a new chapter, that is reflection of light. Okay, come on, let's start with a new chapter. So here is a simple figure illustrating reflection of light. Now when you see this figure, you can see a ray of light coming, falling onto this mirror surface, and after that it is getting reflected or it is getting bouncing back, isn't it? So this is what is called as reflection of light. Now these terms we will come back to it. Before that, just see what is reflection. Now let us define what is reflection first. Now reflection, it is very well defined here. It is the phenomenon of bouncing back of light after striking a smooth polished surface like your mirror. Okay, so this is a definition for reflection of light, or simply you can say it is a phenomenon of bouncing back of light rays after falling on a surface. Okay, now let us come to the terms. Now first one, you are having incident ray, that is the ray which is coming and falling onto the surface of a mirror or any surface, you call it as a incident ray. Now next is your reflected ray, that is the ray which is bouncing back after falling on a surface, you call it as a reflected ray. Now the point at which the mirror surface where the incident ray falls and the reflected ray bounces, that particular point you call it as the point of incidence. Now you are having a normal ray, that is nothing, the perpendicular line drawn to the reflecting surface or to the point of reflecting or point of incidence, you call it as the normal ray. Now you are having angle of incidence. Angle of incidence means it is the angle between the incident ray and the normal, and you are going to denote it by the letter I, angle I. Now angle of reflection means it is the angle between the reflected ray and the normal. You are going to represent it by small letter r, or angle r. Okay, come back to the first figure. I hope it is clear to you. The ray coming, you call it as incident ray. After falling on the surface, the bouncing back ray, you call it as the reflected ray. A line drawn normal to the point of incidence, you call it as normal. Then you have the angle of incidence and angle of reflection. Okay, let us come to the types of reflection. Now you are having two types of reflection, that is regular and irregular reflection. Now these types of reflection, it actually depend on the surface on which the light is going to hit. Okay, either the subject or surface can be smooth or can be rough. So depending on that, the reflection is being divided as regular and irregular reflection. Okay. Now, if the reflection is going to take place on a regular surface or a smooth surface like your plain mirror, you call it as a regular reflection. And if your reflection is going to take place on an irregular surface, you call it as irregular reflection, or also you can call it as diffused reflection. Okay. Now you are coming to a very important portion, that is the laws of reflection. Okay, now you have seen all the terms related to reflection. Now the first law says that the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, that is angle I will be equal to angle R. Got it? Now second law of reflection is that the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence, all the three lie on the same plane. So these are the two important laws of reflection. So today in our class we have discussed what is reflection, what are the terms related to reflection, what are the two types of reflection and the laws of reflection. So for your homework, take your textbook, read these portions very clearly, this very important portion, and towards your upcoming classes also this is a very basic portion for your upcoming classes also. So make sure you learn this portion very clearly, then only you will be able to go forward with the chapter. So let us wind up for today. Thank you. Stay safe.